Hey guys, I'm just gonna tell you about how to install the Michelin Hydro Edge or any other wipers available from Costco, because these were a bit tough in the beginning. I didn't even know which one I would need, but then somebody helped me, and there is normally a book next to the wipers, which tells you which one you're gonna need for your car. So the one which I've got is 65 centimeters. This is for my Holden Barina. This is a 2017 model. However, most of them which you're gonna need for your car is gonna be J hook. This is why I'm putting up a video, because I was really confused how to do this one. So this is the old one, which I took off from my car, which was pretty easy. This was on the car like this. Sorry, I'll show it again. So this was on the car like this, on this hook. So this was locked like that. So how you gonna remove it? And before you start doing it all, make sure you put a cloth. This is like a rag t-shirt what I put in, a cloth, anything which is like thick enough, so that while you're removing this, and if by any chance you leave this, and when you're taking this off, which is these two clips here, there is the clips which you will see on your wiper. You press them and you push it out, and this will come out. When you do this, this is like a hook thingy. You move it like this and this whole thing comes out. Now when you're doing this, suppose if this arm falls down in your windscreen, it's going to break your windscreen. You're going to end up with a lot of other costs involved. And this time, because I've got that t-shirt sitting there, even if it goes down, it is not going to break it. So that's the first thing. Make sure you do that. Now when you take off the arm, this is how it is supposed to look like. This is the old arm. It was giving me all those streaks when I was driving in the rain, so I thought better time to replace it, so I'm doing it for now. This wiper from Michelin, it came out of the box. And also I've seen a lot of people, when they put up the video, they rip off the whole cardboard at the back trying to get this out. It's pretty easy. At the top it has got a small lid kind of thingy. You untape it, remove the tape, open it, opens up like this, get everything out. You will find 4 different attachments to it. This is for different attachments, so I'm going to move it. This will come with 4 attachments, which you will see at the back of this wiper packing, and these steps are pretty confusing to me. So how I figured out is you're gonna need something which is gonna be looks like these 4, and the one you're gonna need is this one. This is gonna go, sorry, I'll show it to you. So there is this hole in this one. This is how you're gonna see it. Oops. So this is how it's going to look like in the attachment. Yeah, this is how it's going to look. This one is PT3. Yeah. Now when you're going to use this, what you will have to do is, because this has got this arrow, which again in the beginning I didn't know what is going to happen, so you just have to pull this out. It goes in, click, push this out, this comes out. Yep. So you're just going to remove it. One arm job, one hand job, I mean. So when this is done, you take it up. This is safe, good. Now you take it up. This piece would go on your arm like this. Yeah, it just sits on it. If I show you from the other side, that's how the arm looks like, and that's how the connector looks like. So this is just going to sorry, out of focus. This is just gonna sit on it like this. Yeah, when this sits on it, come on, focus, yes, when this is gonna sit on it, I'm sorry I made this video